Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, today, from a presentation standpoint, it's kind of a tricky chart to talk about because there's a few different dynamics that's occurring here. But the first dynamic that we got confirmation of was that the movement from Wednesday, which was very, very solid. I mean, from here all the way up to there, there's no doubt about it. That was a very strong move. That brought up the more than valid question of, hey, is this the start of something bigger, or is that just a dead cat bounce? Well, we got our answer today. It was literally a dead cat bounce because the price quite literally went all the way back down to where it started. So from that point of view, as far as the movement from Wednesday is concerned, there was no genuine strength. That was just a flat-out dead cat bounce, fake move to the upside. But what makes this now interesting going into Friday, it makes it somewhat confusing because, yeah, from that point of view, what I just talked about, a very, very bearish chart. I mean, the price literally gave up all its gains, went right back to where it was. But then you look at the afternoon, and you can see, you got to give respect is due, a very, very nice bounce. So now it brings up the valid question of, hey, is this the start of something new? Is a whole nother bounce going to start? And that, remains to be seen. And really the level to watch going forward in regards to that is going to be that purple line there, which I've talked about time and time again. The 53-cent area right now is the current value of it, which you can see right there. So that's going to be the big question now going forward is the price has bounced. It's been bouncing, no doubt about that. But can it break above 53 cents? And if it can, then that's where, and I should note, I'm not saying that if it can break through 53, then for sure it's going back, up to 58 where it was. But at least it becomes a whole lot more valid. Right now, still got to be pretty skeptical because sure it's bouncing, but I mean, this is occurring after the thing just got wrecked. So, I mean, no such thing as a guarantee. But my point is this chart would look much different had the price given up all its gains, which it did, and then just basically did something like this the rest of the day where it essentially just showed no signs of life at all. But it did show some signs of life. Now it's just a question of, is this going to be able to build upon it? So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.